welcome back to my channel for one more video. So these are my last two videos I released 2 days back, and today the return for fuel cell energy is around 70%, and the return for Marathon Patent Group, which is a Bitcoin and Ethereum miner, went up by 50%. So congratulations if you're following my videos and then bought any of these stocks. Okay, let's go into today's talk. So so what's going on? So today's talk is about Butterfly Network, a global leader in democratizing medical imaging, to be listed on NYSE through a long merger with Longview Acquisition Corp. So Longview Acquisition Corp is a SPAC. Technically, it looks for companies it can reverse merge with, and then it buys those companies. Let's look into Butterfly Network mission. So Butterfly IQ is an ultrasound transducer that can perform whole body imaging with a single handheld probe using a semiconductor technology. Connected to a mobile phone or tablet, is powered by Butterfly's proprietary ultrasound chip technology, powered by AI, delivered advanced imaging, which we believe easy to use. So the transaction is expected to drive further adoption of Butterfly Network breakthrough. So the enterprise value of the merger is around, so the market cap is around $1.5 billion, and with combined company expected to have a estimated $584 million. So Jonathan Rothberg is a well-known guy who invented on genome sequencing and has a lot of patents, and is the largest Butterfly's controlling shareholder. 100% of the equity existing Butterfly Network investors include, so important to know, is Bally Gifford, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and Fosun Industrial. So these are the founders with venture capitalists, but they also have a $170 million PIPE funding, including from Eldridge, Fidelity Management, Ridgeback, Tenet Healthcare, UPMC. If you don't know these are technically affiliated hospitals. So I am assuming these hospitals will start using this ultrasound technology. So the business combination reverse merge is expected to end in first quarter of 2021, and the symbol will be butterfly. Okay, let's go back. What are they talking about? So this is a SPAC. So the SPACs really move fast and really move down also. So this is already, this reverse merger news came on Friday. This is already up by 60% in 2 days. So you have to be really careful investing your money, but invest in multiple transactions. The reason why I am interested in investing in this company is because multiple reasons. I will go through this. It's a portable pocket ultrasound scanner on a chip with a single probe. So it is not like they don't have competition, they have competition, but the competition equipment has multiple probes and also like 4 to 5 times expensive than this company's product. This will supposed to replace $10,000 to $15,000 big ultrasound machine. So the reason why I wanted to invest is ARC recently, which is basically today, invested $6 million worth of stock it bought into this company. So technically, once ARC invests, there are a lot of individual investors and as well as small institutional investors will throw money into it, keep buying the stock for a few days. So this is a typical SPAC. Stock breaks out for a few days and then cools off, and also there is a lot of period before reverse merger. So I don't expect this to go like Switchback, ChargePoint, something like that, or IPOB to $40 or $50 anytime soon. So Philips and GE are very huge players in medical imaging. I will show you how they compare this product with this. Okay, So this is what I am talking about. 1123 ARC Genomic Fund bought around $6 million worth of stock in this company. Okay. So basically butterfly network ultrasound portable mission will look like this. This is a single probe. This is 2018. This is IQ Plus, which they are selling right now. It will probe any part in your body and then actually sends directly images to your phone or tablet. Okay. So as you can see here, IQ in the home, and then slowly they want to take this probe into home. So by this time probably the price will go down by 90%, maybe $200, $300. You can buy an ultrasound at home and keep it at home just like a thermometer. Okay. So we went through the transaction details. Is $1.5 billion company, $400 million pipe revenue, $400 million investment VC funding, and $175 million pipe funding. Okay, expected to merge by 2021 first quarter. So to quickly compare these competition products that compete with Butterfly Network, this is Butterfly Network we are talking about, which is IQ, around $2,000. Rest of the machines anywhere between, one is Philips, one is GE, and also Clarius is pretty much recently released, which is also very close competition with Butterfly, but their machines is almost like 5 times expensive. Okay. So as you can see here, this is considered supposed to be the most advanced technology. This is like a world technology. Okay. So these integrates with a lot of smart mobile phones and Android apps as well. So the one important thing is everything goes on the cloud, which is available for free, but that uses AI and analyze the images. Okay. So notable features are artificial intelligence and deep learning. Okay. So let's go there. So this is the stock. If you want to buy Butterfly, this is the stock that you want to invest into. The symbol is LGVW, and as you can see here, this all day went up. This is the time when news came out, Friday. So morning it came up Friday almost 20% and then 40%. Today is when ARC news came out. Today what ARC was buying, and then there was huge buying went on, like 15% went up after that. Okay. So this is the one, and this is how it looks, the mission looks. It's a portable, very small ultrasound mission, and as you can see here, works for the whole body and connect directly the images on the phone or a tablet. Okay. So this is a typical SPAC. I have not invested yet, but I'm seriously looking into invest into. Another one is, if you want any SPAC news, you can directly go to SPAC Insider and then recent news, who is merging with what, and then you can go back and see if the technology interests you, do you see potential, and go back and buy that SPAC before actually the merger itself. Okay. So this is about Butterfly Network, which is basically medical technology ultrasound company. This looks interesting and also very promising, and the founder CEO being a top talented guy, that is one of the reason, and also ARC investing, that's another reason that I wanted to invest into this stock. Thank you for watching this video. Please click like button and see you guys soon.